Hey loves, welcome back to our channel. We're Ruby and Bella, the mother-daughter duo behind Love & Co Candles. A year ago, we started our candle business while still juggling our 9-to-5 jobs. By the time you're watching this, our winter collection restock is officially live. Join us for a glimpse into the behind the scenes of cleaning our candle studio after a 2-day market, while also preparing for the busiest shopping season as small business owners while balancing our day jobs. We hope you'll enjoy. So this is the aftermath of the 2-day market that we did. We packed everything up, but we didn't put anything away. So now I'm going to go through and get everything reorganized, put away. But this is the real of a candle studio. It only looks pretty for so long, and then you have to make something. So follow along while I get everything cleaned back up and get all these surfaces clear so we can make the next set of candles. Let's start by putting away all of these fragrance oils. I don't normally film at night, but with our schedule changes, we have to film whenever we have a moment. So we're gonna mount the TV up here now for the times that we are up here working, so we can watch something. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Be careless. Okay, so we got scents that we're probably gonna use, and then scents that we gotta test. this was going to be a part of a giveaway candle. This is going to be the lid for it. And it lights up for the show that we just did. I just didn't have time to make the candle, so didn't wind up doing it. But maybe next time. So here's where we started. And here's where we are now. I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. I got the candle pouring station. It's all cleared off, and I will work on the wax melter area and the room spray cart where we keep all the room spray items and body spray items probably tomorrow, and then get this room all cleaned up and vacuumed up so it can be nice and clear for the next pouring that we have to do. But I am going to go to bed for tonight. Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.